Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Svelte series. In today's episode we're gonna building the styling of this Svelte series, and I want to remind you that in previous episode we saw that how to install Svelte on our computers and fetch data from Fake Store API and console log them to our browser. For short term, I want to remind you what we did. I'm going to do in terminal npm start, npm run dev for exact, because we're in Svelte development world. And I'm waiting to start. The local server is started. I'm going to press Ctrl and key. The browser opened. I'm going to open the console log, and as you can see now we fetch data from our Fake Store API, which is very cool and I like it, and it's our savior for this episode. In today's episode we're gonna use the title and the image. Okay, it's gonna be simple, it's gonna be quick. I'm gonna show you how to provide props through components and show them on screen and display them on screen. It's gonna be very simple, don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna close now our console log terminal, and I'm gonna get the browser to the side here. Nice. And I'm gonna start building my first component, which is gonna be the product component. And here I'm gonna build a folder named component. I build it here. It's totally empty. There is nothing inside. And inside this folder I'm gonna put a file named products.svelte, which is our component. I'm creating a new file and I name it products.svelte. A short reminder about components in Svelte. Each component has to have the extension of Svelte. Otherwise, the component will not work. Have that in mind, okay? I'm pressing enter. And for a small example, I'm going to say header 3. This is a product, and I'm going to display it on screen. I press save, and now on our higher component I'm gonna import the child component, which is our products, and here I'm gonna say import product from that slash components slash product.svelte. Okay, I press save. And nothing display on screen until I put this product component in my each loop. I say product, I put it here and press save. And now, as you can see, we have 20 components inside our browser. Let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna place again F12. We have 20 items in our array, and here are our 20 props, 20 components in our browser. So let's continue in our building. I'm gonna put it to the side once again. I'm gonna leave it now here like this. Well, for my prop I'm gonna give the name for my title, or should I? Okay, I'm gonna say name. I'm gonna say equal, because we're writing JSX we have to put this parenthesis like this, and here I will say product dot title. Okay, I'm gonna correct it, and for our image, it's gonna be the prop of image, JSX once again. Sorry, JSX once again. I'm gonna say product dot image. Okay, easy peasy, right? But in order to display them on our child component, we have to do this. We are going to, in our component, child component, this is our child component, and in order to get the props from higher component, we have to put them inside in the script tag, and I'll say export let the variable name, and I will get the name variable. And again, because we're in JSX environment, JavaScript environment, I will get the prop name and we'll press save, and as you can see now, each product's title is displayed inside my browser. So let's continue and make it for our image. I will get the image. Okay, I will close it, and for the source, JSX again, I will say image. Press save, and what's going on? Nothing is happening, right? Here we are getting an error and it says nothing can be defined. It's not defined. This prop, it's not defined inside your component. How can I display it? So in order to do that, to display several props inside a component side by side, we are getting the comma and we are saying image, and we are pressing save. Do we get another error? Let me see. Yes, because this is not okay. CRS, SRC, SRC is our source. And press save, and now each product is displayed a title and the image, title and image, title and image, title and image 20 times. Okay, that's nice. That's pretty nice. Let's style a little bit more. So what we've got here, I'm gonna put also a button to the bottom of that, and I will say add to basket, add to basket. Okay, I'll press save and put this also to the side. You see, I'm gonna go to the top, must top. We have the title, the image, and the button here displayed. And now, in order to style a little bit our component, we have to wrap it in a div. Okay, I will name this div, I will give the product class for the div. I'll place tab, and I'll get this closing div, and I'll put it below my wrapping div. Okay, and it should have an attribute. Okay, also give an attribute. I will give it empty. It's not very important now for the time being. And now we come to the point that in order to make any styling inside our component, we have to put each styling of each individual item inside in a style tag. Okay, which we're gonna do it right now. I'm putting my style tag, and here I'm getting my product class. Okay, I'm getting it, and here I will say display flags. That's great. Everything can by side, but because it's an item, it's a card, and I will say display direction column, display direction Split direction column, right? Flex direction. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Flex direction column. That's my fault. Sorry. And everything come to the center. Justify content center, to be exact. Align item center also. That's great. Everything is more better now. And let me see. I'm gonna give a height of 308 pixels, and I will give the width of what we can see here. We're gonna say 300 pixels. That's great. Don't worry, everything looks so ugly. I'm gonna put a little bit more like this to be precise. Can you see my screen to the bottom? Okay. Everything is fine. And now we are saying, let me see what we can say here. I want a border. I'm gonna create a border here for each item. Border 1 pixel solid RGBA. I'm gonna give the point of 0. How much? 3. Is it okay? It should be okay. I'm gonna put my exclamation mark, and I continue my styling. What else should I do here is that I'm gonna give some border radius for that. Border radius 10 pixels, and I will get the overflow hidden attribute. Can you see now there is a border, slight border here, but nothing is displayed very nice. I'm gonna fix it in a second now. We finished with our main product div styling, and now I'm getting my product image. I say class product. For classes, we're putting the dot. For if it's an ID, we are giving the ID tag for this div. We have to put the hashtag, okay? Not the dot. If that was an ID, I would give the hashtag here like this. Because if this is a class, we have to put the dot, okay? Have this in mind. I'm getting my image, and I'm gonna style it now. I will give the height of 200 pixel. I will give the width of 208 pixel. Okay, but oh my god. So stretching. My eyes are hurting. Okay, I will say object fit, and I will say it contain. Let's try it. Yeah, that's better. That's much better. Let me see what else we've got here. Oh, okay. Let's style a little bit the button. I think I will fix it a little bit more. Product button. I'm gonna get it. Product button. Let's style it margin top, 10 pixel. I'm gonna give some padding, 0.5 rem. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and please give a big thumbs up for this video, okay? Please, it's very important in order to have more audience and reach more people about this nice series, and more people will learn more and will proceed to the future more safely with us. Okay, thanks for now, and we are continue our builds. Less talk, much work. I'm gonna say background orange. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna give the color white. Also, I'm gonna say border none, and also I'm gonna say font size. Will it be okay? 1.2 rem. Let's save it. Yeah, that's great. Let's go more down. I'm gonna say product again, H3 header 3. I'm gonna style it a little bit, font size of 0.5 rem. Font style. No, it's too much. It's too less. But it's too much also. Okay. Text align center. That's also fact. I'm gonna lower a little bit down the product size because it's very too much. 350, is it okay? Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah. Are we done here? Yes, we're done. Now I want to display each item inside the grid, not like this. This is not a good displaying item for each. Is it too much? Yeah, can I will increase a little bit more the height of the product because some items are not displaying good at the bottom. I meant not the width, but I want the height. 70 is okay. Yeah, that's better. Also put some margin bottom. Margin bottom 10 pixels. Is it better? Yeah, it is. Now I'm turning back to my app.svelte. This is our higher component, and let's style this component. So for this component, we're gonna do my how can we do that? Items class. I'm gonna wrap my each loop inside this div. Okay, easy peasy. Don't worry. We don't have any class styling for this. Just a small reminder what we were doing. In order to style this component, we have to make each styling. You see, when I say something, I get the answer of what I want to do. I want to style the styling inside a style tag. It's like a, you know, let's get my items. Yeah, I'm getting my items class. I'm gonna style them a little bit. I'm gonna say margin 10 pixel. Is it okay? Auto. Where did it go? No, it's here. And what we've got, I'm gonna say the width of 900. I'm gonna give this 900 width for my items div. And I'm gonna say display grid. Display grid. I want it to be in a grid. Sorting. Grid template columns. I'm gonna say repeat 3. And I want to be each displaying item for 300 pixel wide. And if we are not getting that, we're gonna get more lower in our displaying. Okay, so put it to the side. I want this also to the side. Is it enough? No, it's not enough. I'm gonna say also, let me see, I'm gonna give the gap of 10 pixels in order to have some spacing between the items. And now our mission complete. And I will cut this video here. That was our build for today's lesson. Thanks for watching this Svelte video series. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to see more future contents, and don't forget to like this video in order to go more up to the YouTube algorithm and reach more people. Who knows? Thank you once again, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.